mazima mu linnya lya Yesu.
In the name of Jesus.
Gamba akulina.
Tell the person next to you.
Seven. One minute.
That's far the Lord has brought us. You may be seated. It is such a blessing to see all of you, and I thank God. Today is quite busy. Sorry we've come a little bit late. Not really late, we came late. Deputy Mayor and all the leaders of Entebbe, Pastor Aaron Mutebi, Pastor and your wife, and your family, and the Ebenezer family, and all the men and women of God who are here today, was to cut the ribbon for an avenue which has been given to journalists. You know, that will last forever. That is very significant. I come here today with a great man of God, Pastor Yu from China. And along with him, he has friends who have come to help Uganda. They are experts in Wales. In Wales, in water. And so, and they are believers. And others are coming who are experts in electricity and solar. So we are so grateful. Pastor Yu is a pastor of pastors. And every Thursday we are on a Zoom talking to over 10,000 leaders in China. I preach in Japanese. When we finish, I'm going to share with you briefly. Then we will eat, I believe. Then Pastor Yu will share with us, because I have another mission. Pastor and your family, God brought you here. He sent you. And the reason why I say that, because the whole town council has given the mission a road. It doesn't usually happen. An avenue. So we respect the mayor, deputy mayor, and the leaders. I want to also recognize Pastor David Makoko, mission director. Now let's get to the business. The Lord has been putting a word on my heart for several months. Psalms 11. It says, if the foundations are destroyed, what then can the righteous do? Pastor Tim, it's good to see you. Pastor Wally, there's a Pastor Kayanja here, so you don't need me. There's a Kayanja. And Pastor, your wife, what is your wife? It's good to see you. Thank you so much. And others, I see. Are you still in there? In Jig? Or you left there? Foundations are shifting. They are shifting so fast that in order for you to understand what I'm saying, for over 20-30 years, the most populous nation on earth has been China. Next month is now India. Things are shifting so much that if you turn this way, by the time you come back, there will be a new building here. Things are shifting so much that even in the body of Christ, the values we used to hold are now shifting. Therefore, what can the righteous do? In other words, God is saying that it doesn't matter what is shifting. It doesn't matter what's happening. I'm counting on the righteous.
Great.
We are grateful we are here at Ebenezer Miracle Center Church. It started 25 years ago. We are dedicating it, as well as we are opening up a road which has been given to in honor of the work which has been done here by the Entebbe Town Council. We are grateful for that. And also we are launching up again, especially working with the believers, that they will be able to generate capital in our own country, in our own nation. The money we need is Uganda shillings to do things in Uganda. And that will also build our currency as well. So we are teaching them not to wait to be given, but generate your own capital and start things that you can start to help the people around you. Because this is what we do, you know. We are building churches, we are establishing things, and we are grateful. So that's our message, that please start generating your own capital in order to fix the needs that you may have.
You said global foundations are shifting.
Yeah, global foundations are shifting. For example, the biggest population on earth, it has been China, the most populous nation. Now, in 1 month or two, it's going to be India. So things are shifting. Nations that used to export food are now in demand of food. Nations that used to be peaceful. The war between Russia and Ukraine, it has shifted a lot of foundations. You see, nations are not strong enough to say this and that. So even here in this country, our population is growing, our region is finding hard to find food. In Kenya, people are demonstrating, not because of anything, but because of food prices. And here we are in Uganda with beautiful weather, beautiful country, beautiful peace. We need to plant this season. We need to plant. If we plant on top of trees, let be it. But we need to plant. I think the issue is that we cannot continue go down the road of corruption. We cannot, because it will cripple us in the midst of a great opportunity that we can use. Abaluganda tukubiriza abantu bonna bakoleki basitule bekunganyize sente ze balina okukozesa. Obuyambi bwonna bwe twetaaga tubulina, naye bakozese ekyo sente zaabwe bekolemu omulimu nga ku mazaalibwa amazuukira gano aga Mukama waffe, baleme kugula nnyo byakulya, naye bakunganye sente basobole okulima, basobole okukola amafactory, basobole okukola ebintu. Kubanga mu nnaku nga zino enkulu twonoona nnyo sente, ate enkeera enjala neetuluma, naye tusobola okukunganya sente zaffe ezo ne tuzikolamu. Emisingi gy'ensi gikyuse. China si yesibe bantu abangi ennyo ku nsi, India neetera okubayisa. Kati ekitegeeza n'Afrika kiza kijja kutuuka nga ffe bangi ennyo naye nga tubaliisa ki, eddungu litwetoolodde. So tukozesa akakisa kano ke tulina ku mulundi guno, tukunganye sente zaffe, oba muli 20 oba 30, mwekolemu omulimu, mubeeko ekintu ekyomugaso kye muyinza okukola.
I
nsalirwawo okubako kyenjogera nga neetooloola mu bigambo ng'omanya nti sawundi yammwe tenatereera naddala mu monita zino tetuzze kutunda mumbo tuzze agenda kulekera ekyamagero agenda kulekera obulamu agenda kulekera ekisa ne bw'onooba ova wano abanaakulaba bajja kumanya nti ova kusinkana Katonda mu linnya lya Mukama waffe Yesu. Abatudde batudde, abayimiridde yimirira.
Those who are seated, you can sit. Those who are standing, stay standing.
Bameka bakooye obwavu.
How many of you are tired of poverty? Please be seated, pastors.
Wano tulinawo abagenyi baffe.
We have some guests.
Pastor Yu from China.
Pastor Yu okuva China.
Other guests.
Abagenyi abalala.
Omwami ono.
This gentleman.
Ye kakensa mu kusima enzizi z'amazzi.
He's an expert in digging wells.
Kusima enzizi z'amazzi.
Water wells.
Ye kakensa.
He's an expert.
Era tugenda kwogera naye yatuuka Lwakubiri.
He came on Tuesday.
Tumanyi nti agenda kutuyamba.
He's going to help us out.
Ku ngeri y'okusima.
Kirisa kwange.
My family and my finances. Bye bintu bisatu Mukama byagenda okukola omwaka. Bw'atalina family agenda kuwa. Bw'agirina egenda kunywera. Bw'atalina kukkiriza ogenda kufuna. Bwe yakufuna edda ensi ejja kutegeera nti oli mukkiriza. Bw'alina ssente zijja kweyongera. Bw'atalina ogenda kuyoolera mu kkutiya. Mukama yeebazibwe. So n'olw'ensonga eyo twebaza Katonda. Musumba Yosiya n'omukyala we bale tuki. Ne ku mazzi osomoka n'ogenda e Kenya.
You can actually cross on the sea and go to Kenya.
Ekitegeeza bameka abali wano.
How many of you are here?
Osula mu ntebe.
You live in Entebbe.
Oziwulira amabaati nga gakuyita ku mutwe.
You hear the airplanes passing over
naye nga
you.
gwe tolinnyanga ku
But you
nnyonyi.
never boarded the plane in your lifetime.
Ngenda kukusabira essaawa.
I'm going to pray for you.